7. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened to the captain has parked this aircraft at the gate and turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Prior to deplaning, please check around your floor and your seating area for any of your personal belongings. Please exercise caution when opening those overhead compartments as items have a tendency to shift during flight. A uniformed customer service agent will be available inside the gate area to provide current gate and flight departure information as well as directions to ground transportation. Flight information display monitors are conveniently located throughout the concourse. Smoking is only allowed in designated areas. You may use your cellular phones as long as it is accessible without removing it. On behalf of our captain, your Atlanta-based flight crew, and all the crew members of Air Tran Airways, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. It's been our pleasure to serve you. The next time your itinerary calls for air travel, we hope you'll choose Air Tran Airways again. Don't forget you can book online at airtran.com.